Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is on and responsive, then open Settings and tap Connections. Once done, look for Wi-Fi and call settings under Connections. This is where Samsung groups wireless features. You don't need to log into any carrier portal yet. Make sure airplane mode is off so options appear. Next, scroll to find Wi-Fi calling or advanced calling. That label depends on carrier and One UI version, so read labels carefully before tapping. You should now be in the area that controls network calling features. If you don't see Wi-Fi calling, tap Mobile Networks or More Connection Settings. Carriers and One UI place it differently. Once found, open the Wi-Fi calling entry. In some models it's a toggle on the screen, while others require tapping a submenu. If there's a toggle, you can disable it directly. If there's a submenu, open it and note carrier options and the toggle position before switching it off. Now toggle Wi-Fi calling off and watch the setting change to disabled. You may also see the Wi-Fi calling icon disappear from the status bar. Make sure to test by placing a call over cellular to confirm it uses the mobile network. If the toggle reverts or calls still route over Wi-Fi, restart the phone to force settings refresh. If problems persist, check for a carrier policy, update One UI, or contact your carrier. They can lock or manage Wi-Fi calling remotely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.